Hi everyone, welcome back to Future Math Lab. In the last video, we learned how to find the DNA of numbers using prime factorization. But wait, to break a number down, you first need to know what divides it. If a number isn't prime, it must be divisible by smaller primes. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate detective tools to spot these hidden factors instantly. We call these divisibility rules. Let's start with the easiest one, the number 2. Let's list the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Detective, do you see the pattern? Yes, just look at the last digit. If it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, the number is even, and it is divisible by 2. Simple, right? Now, let's look at 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. It's harder to spot a pattern just by looking at the last digit. But here's a magic rule. Add up all the digits. If the sum is a multiple of 3, then the original number is divisible by 3. But why? Is this magic? No, it's algebra. Let me prove it to you. Let's imagine a 4-digit number ABCD. We can write this as 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. Now, let's rearrange the numbers. 1000 is 999 plus 1, right? So, we group them like this. The first group, 999A plus 99B plus 9C, is always divisible by 3. So, we only need to check the last part, A plus B plus C plus D. That's why the sum of the digits works. Next up, the number 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. This is super easy. Just check the tail again. If it ends in 0 or 5, it's a multiple of 5. Done. Now, what about 7? There are many methods, but let's look at the Spence method. The rule is double the last digit and subtract it from the rest. For example, with 86,415, double the 5 to get 10 and subtract it from 8,641. We get 8,631. Is 8,631 divisible by 7? If it is, then the original number is also a multiple of 7. If you don't know yet, repeat again. But honestly, this takes a long time. So for 7, my advice is just divide it. There are rules for 4, 8, 9, and even crazy ones for like 29 or 41. But as a student, you only need to remember the big 3, 2, 3, and 5, and maybe 9 because it's just like 3. Forget the rest. Save your brain space for something else. Now, here's a bonus challenge for you. Look at these numbers, 77, 235, 120, and 312. Which of these numbers is divisible by 2, 3, and 5? Use your detective eyes. Pause the video now and leave your answer in the comments below. Great job today! But before you go, look at this number, 1147. It fails the rule of 2, rule of 3, rule of 5, even rule of 7. Is it prime? Actually, no. It is 31 times 37. Do we have to test every prime number to find this? That would be a nightmare. So next time, I'll teach you the square root rule to solve this mystery fast. See you in the next class. Bye bye.